Welcome back to Vinny's Palace Ideas. It's me Vinny. Today I am going to tell you an easy tip for the learners, especially those who are beginners in the driving. Many of them are asked or mentioned in the comment box as it is whether barefoot or footwear, which one is better for the learning of driving. Most of the videos I did barefoot in the driving lessons. So today I will explain which one is better, barefoot or footwear, which one is better for the learners of driving. Both types of driving have its own benefits. Like I recommend for the beginners, barefoot driving is better because while we drive without footwear, we can easily access the pedals. The pedal pumping is better to understand and better to feel very confidently. In addition, we can learn the clutch control very easily. As you all know, the clutch is controlled by our left leg. So if we do not know how the clutch control, half clutch, the driving may be difficult. It must be difficult. This clutch control is very essential for the driving because this driving in the steep hill or in the slope or while driving in the traffic block, many other situations, we use this half clutch or clutch control. So if we do not know the clutch control or clutch balance, the driving is very difficult. So what I am trying to say that I recommend the barefoot or without footwear is good for the beginners or in the beginning period of learning driving. So it have its own benefits, positive sides. So after 1 or 2 months, it can change. You can easily change barefoot to footwear. In the initial period of my driving, I used to drive barefoot, and after some period of time, 6 months. After 6 months, I used to drive footwear. So in between, in the comparison between footwear and barefoot, I am more comfortable with barefoot. But there is a problem or negative side of the barefoot is our chappals may go in front of the pedals. They go under the pedals. So while we are pressing the brake or clutch, it is not fully down or not fully worked. So there is chance of accidents. The proper pedal pumping will not occur if the chappals is under the pedals. The second problem is the barefoot driving will be a habit in the future. So it is very difficulty for us to change in the future. As we entering to the car, we have to remove or we have to unbuckle the chappal, and we did the driving, and after that get down from the car, we also buckle the chappal. Like that, some problem is existing. So in the initial period of driving, I only recommend this barefoot driving, and after that, after we confident in the driving, we have to drive with footwear. Furthermore, when we drive with pencil type of heels, heel type of chappals, there is also problems existing in the pedal pumping. There is difficulty to manage the pedal pumping. In that case also, I recommend barefoot driving. One of my friends told that his friend, he's a guy, it's about is a middle-aged man, and he was driving the car for about 20 years of experience, and he was driving with barefoot, you know, because the shoes and all, there is difficulty to remove the lace and all. While entering the car, the lace is removed and drive, and after a period of time, when he reached the location, he was tied the lace and all, and get down from the car. There is a lot of problems or uncomfort maybe experiencing, he told like that. So if it becomes a habit, there is a lot of problems will happen with barefoot. So I recommend only for the beginners this you practice with barefoot, and after you learn the clutch control or pedal pumping balance, you can change, you can shift your barefoot to footwear. You can practice with footwear. I have been 8 years of experience in driving. In the initial period, I mean in the first 2 years when I got this license, I kept in a room, and I never go outside. I never try to do the driving, because I am very fear. I am less confident to drive in the highway and all. In the short road I just drive, but in the highway and all I am very much scared. While driving, I faced many problems, especially this clutch control balance. I know many of the students, like beginners, facing this clutch control balance. If this clutch control balance will get, the driving become very easier. So I prefer for the beginners to do the driving with barefoot, and once you got the adequate experience or adequate knowledge about the half clutch control, you can do this with footwear. So I think I have cleared all your doubt. Is it barefoot or footwear? Which one is better for your driving? If you have any more doubts, please write it on the comment box, and I will give reply to all of you, and I will come with another video. Okay, till then, bye bye.